When it's time to replace the doors in your Murray home, you'll face an important decision. Should you handle the project yourself or hire a professional? While the DIY route might seem cost-effective and appealing for those who enjoy hands-on projects, professional door replacement often provides benefits that go far beyond convenience. Let's compare the two approaches to help you make the best choice for your home. The DIY approach. Pros and cons. Pros: lower upfront costs. Doing the work yourself means you'll save on labor fees. For homeowners on a tight budget, this can be appealing. Flexible timing. You can tackle the project at your own pace without waiting for an installer's schedule. Sense of accomplishment. If you're handy, completing a door replacement project yourself can feel rewarding. Cons: lack of precision. Door installation requires exact measurements and adjustments. Even small errors can lead to drafts, gaps, or misaligned locks. Limited tools and knowledge. Most homeowners don't have access to specialized tools or installation expertise. This can result in doors that don't fit or function properly. Potential safety risks. Doors that are not securely installed can compromise your home's security, leaving you and your family vulnerable. No warranty protection. Manufacturer warranties often require professional installation. Doing it yourself may void coverage if problems arise later. The professional approach. Pros and cons. Pros: expert fit and finish. Professionals ensure that your new door is perfectly aligned, sealed, and functional. This means no drafts, sticking, or uneven gaps. Enhanced home security. A properly installed door is harder to force open, giving Murray homeowners added peace of mind. Installers also ensure that locks, deadbolts, and hardware are fitted correctly. Energy efficiency. With professional installation, doors provide a tight seal against the elements. This helps reduce drafts, keeping your home comfortable in Murray's seasonal climate while lowering energy bills. Time savings. What might take a DIY homeowner an entire weekend, or longer, can be completed by professionals in just a few hours. Warranty coverage. Professional installation usually preserves product warranties, offering protection if issues arise down the road. Access to better options. Professionals can recommend the best materials and styles suited for Murray's climate, ensuring durability and long-term performance. Cons: higher upfront cost. Professional installation costs more than DIY. However, many homeowners find the long-term savings in energy efficiency, repairs, and peace of mind outweigh this initial expense. Why professional door replacement makes sense in Murray's climate brings both hot summers and chilly winters, meaning energy efficiency is a top concern. Poorly installed doors allow drafts and moisture inside, driving up energy bills and creating uncomfortable indoor spaces. Professional installers use precise techniques and materials to weatherproof your doors, protecting your home from these seasonal challenges. In addition, Murray homeowners value curb appeal and property value. A new door installed correctly not only enhances your home's exterior but also increases resale value. Prospective buyers recognize the difference between a professionally fitted door and a poorly installed one. Final thoughts. While DIY door replacement may seem tempting for budget-conscious homeowners in Murray, the risks often outweigh the rewards. Improperly installed doors can compromise security, comfort, and energy efficiency. Professional door replacement, on the other hand, ensures long-lasting performance, warranty protection, and peace of mind. If you're looking for a way to improve safety, comfort, and efficiency in your home, hiring a professional for your next door replacement is a smart investment. It's not just about getting a new door, it's about ensuring your family enjoys the benefits for years to come.